In other
Exact
words,
words, exact
he had
words.
faith in you.
Oo. So, he asked me. Ito nga nangyari eh. So, I don't really stay sa office, sa Star. Sa Star na ako nun eh. Kasi pioneer cartoonist ako ng Star, editorial cartoonist. So, nasa Star na ako. I don't really stay late sa office. But at that point, sabi ko, parang bakit tayo ko muna umalis? Then the phone rang, you know? 10-ish na at night. I remember that. So, I picked it up, Sabi ko, hello. Si Bogie, he never really identified himself. Sabi lang niya sa akin, Deng, pagod ka na ba dyan? Oo, click. Yeah, that's it. And everything followed me. Bumunta na, I was given, actually it took a year before I finally got hired by the Straits Times in Singapore. Kasi maayos sila eh. Ito talaga yung proper employer ko because they have to look at your, everything, health check,
Wow.
lahat, the works,
Very professional.
Very professional. Kasi human resources,